Are you looking for a fast sale of your house here in Tucson? There's 5 things to have in place to sell your house fast this week here in Tucson. And with these preparations in place, you'll be able to sell your house this week and move somewhere else without any stress or any hassle. Let's talk about how to do this exactly in today's post. Hi, my name's Karl. I'm the broker over here at KarlBuysHouses. And when you own a burdensome property that needs repairs or has a lot of renovations that need to be done, or maybe even a complete makeover, it can be a dream come true to sell your property and close right away. The same goes if you're in a difficult financial situation causing you stress and worry over unpaid bills. At KarlBuysHouses, we buy houses outright from Tucson homeowners. Because I don't use traditional bank financing, I'm able to close on your property in as little as 1 week. Now, my team makes the selling process quick and easy for you. Now, today I'd like to share with you some of the things that you can do to prepare your home for sale to get it done in just 1 week. First, obviously, call me to get an offer. I buy houses in the Tucson area no matter the condition or the situation. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is to sell your property quickly is to go ahead and give me a call. When you call me to tell me about the house you want to sell fast here in Tucson, I'll make the process very quick and I'll make it very easy and painless for you. I'll do all the research for all your selling options, and then I'll help you decide if selling your home to a direct buyer is right for you. If you decide that you'd rather just list your home, well, don't worry, there's no obligation whatsoever. Secondly, you want to have someplace else to go. If you want us to close on your house this week, you'll need to have another place lined up. Whether you sign a lease on a new rental or opt to buy a new home or choose to stay with your family and friends, if you want to sell your house this week in Tucson, you'll want to be ready to go. If you know that you need to sell, but you don't necessarily have something lined up, well, don't worry about that. I can work with you on that too. Third, you'll want to have your belongings squared away. Moving your stuff can take a lot of work. And if you're thinking about selling and you want to close fast, you'll want to have your stuff packed and ready so you'll be able to move out right away. Now, this means that you should likely plan ahead, as packing can sometimes take a lot longer than you think, especially if you've been in the house for a number of years. Now, when you sell your house directly to KarlBuysHouses, you'll be able to leave behind the things you don't want. I have no problem handling the things you'd rather not take with you. I'll make it as easy as possible for you to sell your house fast, leave your unwanted things behind, and move on no matter what has been left behind in the house. Next, get the utilities turned off and on. Once you know that you're selling your house, you'll want to call the utility companies to have the services turned off or transferred into the new owner's name. Now, when you sell your house directly to KarlBuysHouses, I will go ahead and be happy to help you facilitate this step in the process. Now, depending on where you live, it can take a little bit of time for the utilities to be squared away when moving into a new home, and you may need to kind of schedule a visit from a technician, which may need to take a few days. As soon as you know you're moving, make sure you call your utility companies and let them know, right? You wouldn't want to delay the moving process by not having the electricity and the lights turned on yet. And then finally, have your mail forwarded. Once you've confirmed your move, talk to the post office right away about having your mail forwarded. This can be done either by filling out a form and providing it to the postmaster, or by going online and facilitating the process. You'll also want to physically change your address with any creditors, retail companies, or cell phone providers to ensure that they have your correct address. Some types of mail aren't forwarded for security reasons, and these are probably more important pieces of mail, so you want to make sure that your senders have the correct address on file. If you want to sell your house this week here in Tucson, the process can be a lot easier than you might think. With a direct sale to KarlBuysHouses, you will not have to deal with any real estate commissions, any repairs, any property showings, any cleaning, any waiting around, unsure of when you're going to find a buyer. I'll help you get all the details in place so that you can sell your house quickly to KarlBuysHouses, in most cases, in less than a week. Do you want to sell your house quick this week? Well, reach out to my team today for an offer on your property at 520-403-6227, and as always, have a powerful sales day. Bye-bye.